Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, hello and welcome to this video. First, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad and I'm from Egypt. And today I'm very excited to share with you this course. Inshallah, this course I will divide it into two parts. The first one I will keep it. The first part I will focus on the Arabic language. And inshallah, through this part, we're going to learn everything about the language itself, like reading or writing, and the letters and everything about it. Everything you need to read, to write, to be able to understand anything in this language. And the second part, inshallah, I will focus on Tajweed rules and Quran Kareem recitation. And inshallah, this course will be designed for beginners and for anyone who's interested in learning the Quran Kareem and the Arabic language in very simple and very easy way. Right now, let's go to the book. Inshallah, this is the book I will be explaining from it. And as you can see, this is our table of contents for the first part. These are the topics I'm gonna go through on my first part. First, I'm gonna go through the Arabic letters, and second, I will do letter positions and short and long vowels and sukun and tanween and shadda, al-lam shamsiyya, al-lam qamariya, letters of lin, and finally hamzat al-qat' and hamzat al-wasl. Inshallah, these 10 topics, they will be the 10 topics I will do during the first stage from this course. First, inshallah, I'm gonna explain as you can see on the screen. Will be from the Arabic letters. First, I'm gonna explain over the whiteboard, and afterwards, inshallah, we'll get back again to the book so we can see what I explained over the whiteboard. So let me remove all of this. Okay, the first thing we need to know about this language, about the Arabic language, if you're gonna write anything on it, you have to start from the right to the left. This is the direction we must be from it. You must be from the right to the left. You have to start from there, and you have to go to this way like that. This is the direction we are writing from it, and this is the first thing you need to know about this language. And the second thing I will discuss with you, we need to know how many letters are there in this language. How many letters do we have in the Arabic language? Actually, for this we have two opinions. We have two ways for this. The first one, it said we have 28 letters. This is the first one. And the second one, it said we have 29 letters. 29 letters. For the first one who said we have 28 letters, they considered these two letters. They considered this one and this one, inshallah. After a moment from now, we'll learn about it. In this one called Alif. So they considered Alif, and they considered this letter, and this is Hamza, and inshallah we will learn about it. So they considered these two letters the same. That's why they said we have 28 letters. That's why they said we have 28 letters. And for the second opinion who said we have 29 letters, they considered letter Alif and letter Hamza two separate letters, aren't the same, two different letters. That's why they said we have 29 letters. Right now, let's go directly to the Arabic letters. And during the session, inshallah, I will be discussing the first four letters. And let's go from the first one. The first letter in the Arabic language, this one. It's written like this, looks like that. And this letter, its name is Alif. This is Alif. Try to see it after me. This is Alif. Alif. And as you can see, the writing of this letter Alif, it's very simple. As you can see, letter Alif looks like a stick, one number, and letter Alif, it doesn't have any dots, any curves with it at all. All you will do with it, you're gonna start from the top, and you will draw a straight line to the bottom like that. And this is Alif. And for any letter in the Arabic language, I want you to know two things. The first one, I want you to recognize the letter. If you're gonna see it for the first time, I want you to know this is Alif from seeing it. And the second thing you need to know how to write it. So these are two important things you need to know during this Arabic letters stage. So again, this is Alif, and this is the first letter. And letter Alif, as you can see, it doesn't have any markers, any dots with it. It's just a straight line, stands on like that, without anything above it or underneath it. And again, this one again, it's pronounced as Alif. Right now, let's go to the following one. The one after letter Alif, it's letter Ba. It's the one after Alif. Ba. Try to see it after me. This is Ba. One more time. Ba. And as you can see, letter B looks like a boat with only one dot below it. So if we have boat like this, boat or plate like that, and if I'm gonna put a dot underneath it like this, we'll have letter B. This is letter B, B, and the following one after letter B, it's letter T, and letter T looks like the same letter B. You're gonna write again the same plate or the same boat like that, but all you increase, you're gonna add 2 dots above it. You will add 2 dots on top of it, like this. And this one, it's T. This is T. See it after me. T. Perfect. And the one after that, and this is the last one I will discuss during the session. This one. Again, we're gonna have we're gonna write again the same plate or the same board, but I will put above it 3 dots. 3 dots. We will have 3 dots with this one, and this letter pronounce it as T. This is T. T. As you can see, if you have noticed, if you look at my tongue, I have extracted the tip of my tongue and I put it between my teeth. And this is something I have to do when pronouncing this letter. So when pronouncing letter Th, if you're gonna pronounce it, you have to use your tongue with it. You have to use actually the tip of your tongue, only the tip of your tongue, and you have to put it between your teeth. Like if you're gonna pronounce these 2 letters in English, as you know, when pronouncing these 2 letters in English, you have to use your tongue with them. The same matter, you have to apply it with letter Th. You have to pronounce it with your tongue. The tip of your tongue, you have to put it between your teeth. So today we have just discussed 4 letters, and again they are this one, and this is what? This is Alif, and the one after it, this one, and this is Ba, and the one after Ba, it was that one, the one with 2 dots above it, and this one, it's pronounced as Te, Te, and the last one, the one you have to use your tongue with it, you have to subtract the tip of your tongue and you have to put it between your teeth, it's this one, and this is Te, this is Te. And as I said at the beginning, you need to know the shape of the letter. You need to recognize the shape of the letter. If you're gonna see this letter, you need to know this one called or named Ba. If you're gonna see this one, you need to know this one named or called Tha, and you need to know how to write it. And inshallah, we'll practice on writing. So that was all the part I wanted to explain over the whiteboard. Right now, let's go to the book, so we can review what I have just explained over the whiteboard. So again, this is our table of contents, and the first topic, the one I'm doing with you right now, it's the Arabic letters, and this is the direction we have to be from it. We have to write from it. As I told you, you have to write from the right to the left. This is the direction we must write from it. And this part, it's about how many letters we have in the Arabic alphabet. And like I said, we have, some people said there are 28 letters, and we consider letter Alif and Hamza the same. And other people said we have 29 letters, and they consider letter Alif and Hamza aren't the same. They are 2 different letters. And that was the first one, the first letter I have discussed with you, the one that is called Alif. So again, this is Alif, and as you can see, Alif looks like this, looks like 1, and letter Alif looks like one number or a stick or a straight line, and there are no curves, no dots. And the sound of letter Alif, it's so similar from the sound of letter A in this word apple or Alice. Right now, let's go to our following one, the one after Alif. This one, it's letter Ba. This is letter Ba, and as you can see, letter Ba looks like bed. So this is the bed, or this is the boat we have with it, and we have only one dot underneath it, only one dot below it. So this one again named Ba, and Ba looks like a plate or a boat with only one dot below it. And the sound of letter Ba, it's so similar from the sound of letter B in this word ball or bag. So Ba, ball or bag. Let's go to the one after it. The one after Ba, it's letter Ta, the one with 2 dots above it. This one, and as you can see, there are 2 dots above it. You're gonna put again the same plate or the same boat, but you will add 2 dots above it. And this one called letter Ta, ta again. Say it after me. This is ta, and letter ta looks like, as you can see, looks like plate or a boat with two dots above it. And the sound of letter ta, it's so close from the sound of letter T. The sound of letter T in English, or the sound of letter T in this word tin or taxi. And right now let's go to our following one, the one after it, and this is the last one I have discussed with you. This is letter tha. This is tha. As you can see, there are three dots on top of it. So this one, this is tha. This is its name over there, tha. And letter tha looks like plate or boat with three dots above it. And the sound of letter tha, it's so similar from the sound of these two letters, letter T and letter H in this word, three. So as you can see, when I pronounce it, when I said three, I extracted the tip of my tongue. The same matter, you have to apply it with letter tha. The same thing, you are required to apply it with letter tha. You have to extract the tip of your tongue, and you have to put it between your teeth, like you are seeing over there in this part. So that was all about the first four letters, and the only remaining thing it will be about the exercises, and I will leave it for you to solve. This is the first one. You need to choose the correct answer. We have 4 questions with it. You can solve them with your own. And this is the second one. We need to join the similar letters, and after this you need to read them. This is the first one. You need to find it similar. You need to find the one looks like it in the second column. And this is the last one. And in this one, we're gonna practice on writing. We're gonna practice writing, and you are supposed to practice on writing. So you need to write the following letters, and after this you need to read them. So you need to write these 4 letters. You need to match above all these dots. You need to match above it. You need to walk above it, above all these dots, so you can form the shape of the letter. And that was all for this lesson, and inshallah next time I will be explaining a new group of letters. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.